Hey peeps, what time is it? It's October the 31st. Thursday, thankful Thursday at 12:50 in the a.m. The last of October, babe. Say hey to the peeps. So this what I'm not too long got up, y'all. Probably like 10. But I'm here to just clean my refrigerator one shelf at a time. That's what we finna do. I just did the first one. I'll wipe the bottles off before I put them back in there. Yeah, because I'm really not in the mood. My head still kind of hurt. So I did this top one. And I'm gonna wipe this stuff off and put it back. And go to that side. Then right there. Then right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Then here. Then put my liners in. Well, let's see how long this is going to take me. 10:53. I'll be back. Nope, I'm not finished. But I did the top, these three. Now I'm going to do this one, then these two, then that one. So this is clean. Let's see. That's on there. Let's put the bottles back in that bag. I'm going to wash it off. Yep. It don't be that bad, but it be little stuff in there. I did this one already. I'm just going in and grinding with this towel. Yep, because I'm going to the grocery store tomorrow. So I might as well. She just getting a wash up. But she not bad. Thank God, y'all. Cause I wasn't in the mood. I ain't even cleaned her since like August. Thinking it was in August. I don't know. I'm trying to do this one here. But again, it's not bad. It's definitely not bad. No. So let's dry her. I'm so proud of her. I'll be back and I'm gonna do that one. Then we're gonna do the doors. So I'm gonna get him some more liquids tomorrow. So let's do this. I hit that back there. Throw this away and wash this out. I probably could use these onions for my tacos today. I'm gonna wash the containers out. I just cleaned the cold cuts, but I probably still. Let's take a look. A little something right there. A little something right there. Something back there. I can see it though. But we got a lot of stuff. Crumbs, I don't know. So we finna wash her up. 11:23, I had to take that out. Cause it's little stuff right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, I gotta get back there. Yeah. Okay. She clean now. Yep. I'm gonna get her arm workout today. So we can put her back. I think I'm gonna really need 2 hands. But we'll see. I feel like this is my first time taking this out, y'all. So y'all, hope I can get it back up in here. Get it. Bam. Okay, now let's get ready to wipe this stuff off and put that in here. I'm gonna have to fix the hubby oatmeal at 11:30. So everything is good here. Bam, got all this done. So only thing I gotta do now is, I really don't need to do this one because I just did this one. But the rest, yeah, like my bottles off, yeah. I'm gonna make the hubby oatmeal and his lunch for work. And then we're gonna get up in here. Yep, so today was the day for the refrigerator. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Yep, it's not too bad, y'all. I probably just need a little wiping down. I don't know how these gonna look. Not too bad. So I feel like the worst one was up under here. Well, I found some tobacco up under there, y'all. We ain't gonna even talk about it though, but it's in my phone alarm going on. I'll be back. We'll continue this. See, 11:56, y'all. Made good time. Made this lunch. Made the oatmeal. I put water in here. Them bottled waters. Put Gatorade in here. It goes banana. This sandwich I made. And he taking a V8 juice and that Sprite he brought home. And then he be taking his crackers. He got a Zinger, applesauce, spoon, and then his leftover sub he had about. It's almost gone. So I just made a sandwich just in case he get hungry or whatever. So that's it. I used to put this in like one of these containers, but he eats it before he go in. And he eats it while he be in the truck before he go into work. So that's it. And this like just leftover rolls, my cookies I got from Whole Foods, the onions I'm gonna use for my tacos. I guess he brought these home. I could put them up and everything. I ain't got to that yet, but I gotta wash the dishes. And then probably after he leave, because I gotta upload a video, I'll finish cleaning my refrigerator. So I have to pause for the call. Say hey to the people, babe. Hey. How was your oatmeal? So I'm here at the upload my. I'm hot. Think I had this. You looked at your check stub? Yeah, I looked at it already. Oh, okay. All right. So where my water at? I'm thirsty. Sex abuse lawsuit. What? What's the shenanigans? So this me, y'all. Yep, I ain't make the bed. I'll get to it. Oh, I needed to start on that refrigerator. So, and I'm fasting. It's like tomorrow my last day, today Thursday. So, who famished me? And my eye doing something, this one. It was real red. I put some eye drops in it. I think it's probably all the mucus and stuff or something. It probably done got a little slight effect. I don't even know at this point. My body just going through it. So, let me get ready to upload my video. And I'll see you when I see you. Peace. So, it's 12:24. I'll be gone. And let's finish this up. Let's take this out. We're gonna take this out. I gotta take for some fish. I'm ready. I go to Jewel's and get my catfish. And I always fry it up in avocado oil in my electric skillet. For some reason, it just fried real good in that skillet. So, I ain't gotta do this one. We're gonna take this out. I'm just gonna knock this side out. The hubby like to eat that jelly. And so I put this on pancakes, corn, or whatever. That. And of course, it's gonna be almost time for some more spaghetti. So, let's clean and wipe bottles off. And then that's gonna be that. And then we're gonna work on this side. How about that? We in or done though. Sure, slowly but surely. Yeah. Oh my God. Ugh. Well, I forgot. I gotta put the liners in the refrigerator and them shelves. Ah! I just remember I gotta do that. So that's finna slow me down, but I'm finna get her done. I need to make me some tea. Gargle, cause my throat and it's moving to my ears now. I still got a slight fever, but it's breaking and everything. But I'll be back. I'm finna go downstairs and get the liners, put the double-sided tape on it, and put them in the refrigerator. And wipe my bottles off. I forgot I had to put them liners in the refrigerator. Ooh. One being down, one to go. Let's dry her and put the liner in and the creamers. That one look good. I like that one. The last one, peeps. Get that in there. So we just gotta do this one. I'm gonna wipe off these bottles. And that'll be it for the top. So we done. Whew, yeah. Pardon me is not in the mood to do the refrigerator freezer part. But I ain't gonna do it like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get rid of them freeze pops. Ain't nobody eating them. It's gonna be a quick wash. Yeah. Okay. So it'd be nice if I put up some black right there, right? Ooh, I ain't got enough of that. It ain't even wide enough. I'll probably have to use two. One on this side and one on that side. Huh. That'll look nice though. I really would. Maybe, but not today. I don't feel good. I might come back to it. Order some more. I feel like it'll look nice down here. I don't feel like I need to do nothing in there. I like that look. I don't want no black right there. Yeah, I'm good with that. But I do want some. I want one right here for some reason. Not down there though. You can't really see like that. But right here, I think it'll look decent. Just one. Maybe up in here too. And yeah, but right now we finna clean it. y'all be seeing me. I be getting all kind of ideas. I really do. All the freeze pops in here. I don't eat stuff like that. I don't know what made me get those. $1.35. We sit and spread down and wipe it out. I put everything. Ooh. I don't want these to lean and waste. Alright, be back. Sure, it'll be time for me to come off my fast, y'all. I'm working up a whole and I'm gonna talk about the butt. I couldn't get this out for some reason, or I just didn't even feel like trying to figure it out, but I got it moved from right here, which was complicated. So now I gotta, and I cleaned her out inside. So now I just gotta figure out how to get her back over here, because really this is an ice maker and I didn't get that featured up. Like, she gotta go up under there. Okay. I think she good. Something right there. What is this stuff for? Oh, okay. So, I'm gonna dry out. Let's dry her out. All darkness. Oh, I don't know why I be having all that, but y'all there. So she's clean. Let's see. Times this towel. I'll have to give me another one when I finish with this one, because she been working. I've been working. I'm talking about my grand towel. I've been working. Yeah. Okay. Whew. I need another battery, y'all. Battery is changed. So we finna put all this stuff back. There's a little hole this time. I'm making a smoothie. I'm knocking stuff over. I don't want to do that. Y'all know I'm clumsy. Yeah, I am. My ice trays. I gotta go that way. These the big ices. And these, oh, I got a lot of room since I took them freeze pops out. Yep. And should I put my ice packs up here now? Oh, that's cool. And this is next. Oh, and that's that. Well, all these bum pops was right there too. There's the daughters. Put you up in there. I don't want you open like that. So there's that. I might give me another bag of fruits. Now let's do this. We're gonna put that up there. Put that right there. All this ain't. We got stuff right there. I'll probably throw some of this stuff away. My tater tots not getting thrown away. I might eat some today. I be air frying. I don't really like these. I'll probably get rid of them. I don't like those. And this like leftover catfish and turkey burger, ground turkey. And I just put that in there for making my turkey meat. That's gonna be for some chili. I'm gonna taste this next time I cook. The crispy green bean gotta go in the oven. I thought I could put it in the air fryer, but it didn't have that option, so I ain't gonna even play with it. And let's get her done. So we got stuff. We got stuff, y'all. We got crumbs. Yeah, we got crumbs. Okay. Out back. Oh, let's zoom out. Out back. Oh, I done bust a sweat with that bottom. It was the bending for me. What's that? Water. Let me find the net still. Come on, that's like a whole net. But anyway, I got it. Whatever it was. So, she cleaned. We got all down up in there. We cleaned her. We cleaned everything. We even got on the outside. It wasn't too much back there. But I wiped what I could back there. And we got on the sides. This bottom part, I feel like I almost got a bath. For real. But let's put, what we're going to put, I'm going to keep, I think I'm going to just keep this. I might air fry that tomorrow. The hubby really liked that. Let me see. Of course, my tater tots. And my stuff. I gotta give me some more turkey burgers. That's why I got it right down on my grocery list. I forgot. It's kind of cute, that type of stuff over here. And wait a minute. Wait 1 second. Because I gotta put my ice cream back right here. But I'm buying some more fruits. I want that. This mask. So I put it in. I put it down here so nobody don't mess my stuff. So I think the rest of this, well, this is just expired, these chicken patties. And the expiration date. Well, May 23rd. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of that. What you doing? Why you just can't sit up there and act like you have some sense, chicken? You're gonna become a sir. For real. Okay, we're gonna get rid of this. And this. My thing, I don't like that. So I got her done. I'm done, y'all. I'm gonna just wipe off. I got a vacuum mop. But that's later. I'm just gonna wipe off the front of my refrigerator. And what I did, because last time I had to unplug my refrigerator because it was ice all on here. And when it came, the setting, was like 0. So what I did, I just adjust my freezer setting and put it on 5 so it don't get no built up ice on here. And I could just clean it without having to unplug it now. And this was like on 36 and my stuff was too, I ain't want it that cold. So I played around with it between 40 and 46. I like 46 better, so I just put it back on 46. And so everything is everything. Now I'm gonna make me a smoothie. And then I'm gonna eat me some tacos, turkey tacos, and probably some tater tots. And we gonna spray her. And we gonna wipe her. Cause, yeah, we don't know. Well, I always wipe the outside. I don't know when we might have to do this, clean her again, but she wasn't bad. It's just a lot of moving parts to this situation. Steps, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. I got you, LG. I got you. So now, take it all the way down. I'm gonna rinse you, and then you're gonna be good to go till the next episode. I gotta clean off the top. It shouldn't be that bad because I not too long did it. But the hubby, his crackers be up there, and I'm about sure his crackers up there on top of that refrigerator. So, alright peeps, I'll probably be back from when I do my calendar, because I'll be doing that today. And y'all already know. I see when I see you. Thanks for keeping me company today. Why I got her done. Peace. I ain't show y'all the time. Yeah, that's one of my things. But I'm finna throw away food now. So all that's going in this bag with the freeze pops. There's that. Let's put this back. Pencil. Power wash. Let's get another one because she did her thing. The hubby had washed dishes for me from when I had fixed his lunch. So I really appreciate that. And you know, oh y'all, I'm all discombobulated at this point. Oh my gosh. For real. I always use a paper towel and just get the food out the inside. Cause yeah, I'm gonna probably be using my air fryer. But she's out like a couple of, she done went off like 3 times. Cause it's been warm, y'all. It was like 80 for 2 days. So, oh my gosh. Who tagged me? Who finna go make them some tea? Me. Who finna take 2 Advils? Me. Who thrown in ears? Yep, me. Who got a fever? Me. It's breaking though. It's been breaking for the last couple of days. It ain't fully broke yet. So yeah. Yeah, I'm rough, y'all. Imagine when I used to do my kids' hand, wash them up and stuff. Yep. That's me. Rough. But I'm gonna get it done though. I feel. Let's cut this light off. I don't feel like seeing that light. I'm over this kitchen for right now. I'll be back at 3. Well, yeah, all right. Yeah, probably. I gotta fix my tater tots in the air fryer. But she clean. She look good. She look good, Charlie. Oh, and I really like the liners, y'all. I really like how it turned out. I couldn't do all the look. These type of cuts and like corner cuts. It's cool. As long as it's covering what the stuff sit on. This 64. So everything is everything. Everything is everything. It's ready for my restock or whatever. Yep. Okay, peeps. Y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna do my calendars today. I'm wiped out. I got my grocery list together. I gotta add stuff for my chili. I just thought about that. And I'm fit to take my vitamins. I gotta go and make my tea, y'all. I need to clean my desk. Stuff, it's all something always need to be done. Right. And I still ain't made my bed. And I gotta change my tablecloth and pillow covers out for the month of November. But I'll probably do that this weekend. No hurries. So yeah. What I'm finna do, y'all, I'm all discombobulated. What am I finna do? What did I get up to do, y'all? What? Oh, tea. That's what I'm finna do. Make me some tea. I feel like I got them over here. What can I want? I think I want the echinacea, immune support, and lemon and ginger. Yeah, I mix my teas, y'all. I showed them. So these are 2 we're gonna do. I left my phone in here. So I got 2 tea bags in there. And I use my tea bag. That's because I'm exhausted. I use my tea bags twice. Yep. Yes, I do. But I was looking at some tea pots where you can infuse you can put the tea bags inside of the electric tea kettle. So I'm looking into getting one of those. And yeah. And so when I pour, because I only use it basically for tea. Y'all see me in all kind of action. Yep, don't want to mess up my phone. No, we can't afford to do that. That's why God gave me the spirit of cleaning, because he already know. Like my child, clumsy as you gonna be in the womb, he already know. So we gonna take this and I'm gonna put this in my pocket, and I'm gonna take my phone. Oh, we gotta add a little sugar in here too. And yeah, we gotta add a little sugar. I don't like my tangles be looking all jacked up. That's why God gave him to help me for so many reasons. But anyways, I was looking at some another electric tea kettle. I got that one right there, but I wanted the tea already be in there. So I found I didn't even know they sell them like that. But they come with like an infuser that be in the inside where you can put loose leaf tea in there, loose tea in there, and tea bags in there, and then it'll boil and you can just pour it in there. But right now, we're gonna just boil the rest of that water and put my tea bags in there. And I'm gonna go make me a smoothie too, I know. But because I'm fasting, the ingredients in my smoothie, I be needing that, like, since I don't be eating, give me some strength and some energy. But this, because I don't feel good right here. Sometimes, let's just cut this off. Let's cut the string. So I'm using the echinacea and the lemon ginger. And then once I make my smoothie, I can take my vitamins, because I can't take these like on an empty stomach. Or I could take them right before I eat. But, alright peeps. Bam. Bam. Go that way. Put the phone back up. Of course, I'm going to always drop something. And now, we'll make my smoothie. And okay, back charged. We finna do the smoothie, y'all. My smoothie cup. And let's get the spinach and kale mix. And a banana. And my fruits. I'm gonna do the berries. I need all the things. So, and we're gonna do a little of this juice. Oh, no, I definitely I don't really need no pearl juice because I ain't really been eating like that, but uh, definitely my apple cider vinegar. And I gotta put his creamer in here. I'm gonna pour that in there. I ain't got to that yet. I don't know. Do I want some sugar? The sweet stuff. Cause this is sweet. Pineapple, coconut. Yeah, I use that. It's cool. Alright, peeps. I think I'm done for the day. Because I gotta pull the air fryer out and fry me some tater tots. And then get ready to make my tacos and stuff. So, y'all can see me before I leave. And I gotta make my bed. And I gotta vacuum and mop. But again, I take breaks. And after I eat, and I take my Advil, I start feeling a little better. And so then I get that little, you know, that little, what's the word I'm looking for? That little boost of energy. And I go finish doing stuff. Then I sit down, take a 2-hour break, do some more stuff, because that's how I do it. I got all day. I really do, and I thank my Heavenly Father for that. I don't take my days for granted. I don't do that. So, on that note, I'm out. Y'all already know I see you when I see you. Peace. Hopefully I'll be feeling better. And maybe eventually I get around to doing my hair, but not yet. Of course I'm back. Because that's what I do. Pop up. Still Thursday. Thankful Thursday. I made my smoothie, y'all. Got my tea. Letting that cool. Well, I drink it when it's hot, but it's too hot. You know, what else I done accomplished? In this 240, I done made my bed. Yep. That's my tablet. What else? I'm gonna change out my little towel. Yep, I'm gonna get ready to make me some tater tots in a minute. Washed up the dishes. My bag over there with all the stuff. So I got my kitchen decent. Like I said, I just gotta come back and vacuum and mop. And that's it. I don't think I'm gonna do my calendar like I said because I don't feel like it. But I'll probably do it tomorrow because I gotta change it out anyway. So I gotta do the room and this one. So y'all, I'm gonna get ready to take my vitamins and my of course it fell. Why wouldn't it? And my Aleve. And again, this is my B vitamins. This is like B stuff. I think it's about 3 or 4 B's. I'm not sure. But it's that. And this is my magnesium, calcium, that, and my fish oil, and my collagen biotin 1, and my D3, and my 2 leaves I'm gonna take. I am sweating so bad. This is a good thing. So I'm gonna watch a few videos, sit down for a minute. My throat is killing me, y'all. And I don't know, I might pop back up, I might not. But on that note, I'm out. Peace.